I gotta remove that. Hair masks. We love hair masks, but the smell is starting to smell. Which one's the best? It feels very thick, and a lot of people complain that the smell is horrible. I am not just a little, but I'm very disappointed. I don't know, girl. I wish I knew. So I'm pretty excited to do this video because I have been like debating with myself and other people. I don't know which hair mask do I stick to. I forgot the word natural. I always love to stick to natural home remedies, whether it comes to skin, hair, my booty hole, whatever. That was so stupid. But yeah, I just love natural home remedies. In this video, as you can read by the title, I am going to try 4 hair masks. You know, popular ones like ones with egg, mayonnaise, oil, my ex-boyfriend's blood, I don't know. So let's see which one works the best. I have actually already tried one hair mask, filming the intro a day late. But anyways, whatever, let's get right to the video. Hold up. Before we get right into the video, you already know, girl, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button. And do not forget to follow me on my social media accounts, Instagram, TikTok and Twitter, because honey, why not? So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Guys, I am going to show you guys exactly how I'm going to make all of my remedies. So if you guys would like to try, you could go ahead. So the first hair care remedy is the egg and the olive oil hair mask. All you have to do is crack 1 egg and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Eggs are full of protein, which helps to strengthen your hair while adding texture, shine and bounce to it, whereas olive oil makes your hair soft, silky and smooth. Oh yeah, and also keeps the scalp from drying. Okay, so I am ready for day 1. I've got my egg mask over here and I don't know how I feel about this. I know it's gonna stink, but let's do it. So I'm starting off by parting my hair from the middle and then doing a half up, half down type of look, so I can start applying from the bottom and work my way to the top. Because I'm not going to use this cotton pad because it's just wasting my time. I can just use my hands, so I'm just going to use my hands. Okay, so I wore something comfortable so I don't have to deal with the smell later. The process of this is really messy. You need to do it in a bathroom. So I'm going to quickly go wash my hands. So I'm back and I've got the hair mask on my hair right now, and for now it's not stinking that much, but I guess it's because I'm just really bad at smelling things. My hair is sort of getting like stiff. I'm gonna leave this on for about 20 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it. So I will update you guys in the morning because after I wash my hair there will be no update. So it is the next day. Here's what I can say. My hair in the morning was not very silky and soft. It's still not very silky and soft. Because of the ring light, you can see it a little like silky, but it's not. I promise you, my hair naturally is way more silky than this. Also, I know you might be thinking, what about the smell? A lot of people complain that the smell is horrible, but my hair actually smells pretty good. My hair does not smell like egg. I did make sure I washed it thoroughly. I didn't use anything expensive. I'm actually using something really cheap. This is the Tresemme one. This one over here, this is the conditioner. So I'm gonna have to give this like a 7 out of 10, maybe like a 7.5 out of 10. So the second hair care remedy is just olive oil and a nourishing facial oil. This oil is made for the face, but I use it on my hair anyways. It contains sacha, ginger and turmeric, all natural ingredients. I love it. So today I am going to apply just oil. If you have coconut oil, go ahead, add in some coconut oil, and yeah, just mix all the oils because oils are good. Anyways, I know that this remedy is pretty basic, but trust me, in a lot of Asian countries, people oil their hair at least twice or once a week. Our ancestors have been doing this for ages. Even though it's basic, it is very beneficial. It is so good. So I've got the oil in my hair right now. So I'm gonna leave this for about 30 to 40 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it off, and I will update you guys in the morning and tell you how it goes. Okay, so, and as you can see, my hair is not straight. This side is straight, but this side is a little wavy. What I can say is my hair has a lot of volume today. My hair looks shiny. The only thing is that it's not straight, it's a little wavy. If you straighten your hair after doing the oil treatment, it would look bomb.
So the next home remedy is mayo-egg hair mask. All you'll need is olive oil, an egg, mayonnaise. Yeah, that's it. Applying mayonnaise will leave your hair super silky and soft, just like hair conditioning treatments. And you already know what oil and egg does to your hair, so I'm not gonna repeat it again.
I got my mixture over here and let's start applying. So I'm just gonna section my hair so I can start applying from the bottom, then work my way to the top. I think doing it with this cardigan is probably like a bad idea. So I'm done applying it. So I'm just gonna tie it and let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it and I will update you guys tomorrow. My hair actually feels much thicker today. I know you guys must be wondering, does it smell? No, it doesn't smell if you shampoo it properly. I was so worried about the smell. It feels very thick, very soft too. My hair sort of looks more darker today. Extremely soft. I love it.
So the next home remedy is potato mask. All you'll need is a potato. Just grate it and then strain it in a strainer and get the liquid out and apply it on your hair.
Hi guys, so it is the last day, last natural hair care remedy, and this is a natural remedy that I don't think a lot of us use, and that is potato. Inside this container is potato juice, not juice, what do you call the liquid that comes out of a potato? I don't know, you get what I mean. I am going to apply potato juice on my scalp. So I've applied the potato juice on my scalp. I'm just gonna comb it so that whatever is here is gonna end up here. I'm gonna apply the remaining to the ends. So I've got the potato juice on my scalp as well as my clothes. I'm gonna leave this for 45 minutes and update you guys tomorrow. Okay, update time. I am not just a little, but I'm very disappointed. The potato juice remedy did not work on my hair. I woke up in the morning with so many tangles in my hair and it feels super rough, and my hair, I have no idea what my hair is doing. It's getting a little curly, wavy. I have no idea what's going on with my hair. This is definitely a 3 out of 10, but maybe if you use it for a long time, you might be able to see some changes. Maybe it'll do some good to you, but I'm definitely never going to try that again. My hair feels super rough and it looks like a dog's tail. So yeah, that's it for the potato juice review. So now let me tell you which hair care remedy I'm actually gonna stick to, because I myself was finding it difficult to decide on which hair care remedy should I stick to. So I've made my decision, and that is the mayo hair mask. I honestly feel like the mayo-egg hair mask actually worked the best for me. Second would be the olive oil hair mask, and third would be the egg olive oil hair mask, and the last one, which I will never try again, is the potato juice hair mask. I will be... okay, my bad. So yeah, I will be sticking to mayo-egg hair mask for 3 to 4 months because I really want to stick to one hair mask because I want to be consistent with my hair care routine. If you're wondering, I am going to be applying the mayo-egg hair mask once a week for 4 months straight. That's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any other natural hair care remedies, please leave it in the comment section down below so I can try it in my next video. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Twitter. That's it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.